Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Okay guys, I got a little something to tell you today. Alright, it's homelite weed whacker, okay? Alright, we resolved the vacuum pressure issues. Okay, but now, I want to tell you something here. Alright. Alright, what's going on with this? Alright, I'll show you what's going on with it. I'm going to bring you in here just a second. Okay? Look at this. What's going on here, friends? This coil is down too far and it's hitting the magnet on the flywheel. The whole, you see that little spot right there, guys? That's the magnet. It's hitting the flywheel. All right, the coil is hitting the flywheel magnet right here. So I'm going to fix that right now. So we're going to bring you guys in. I'm going to gap this properly. We won't have this problem again. All right, so, okay, to properly gap this properly, slide this coil, slide the coil up towards the magnet side. Put your business card in here. Kind of hard to do here, but get that proper gap. Okay, you see how the coil just moved in? This business card is a proper gap for the coil to the magnet of your flywheel, okay? This is like on any small engine, weed whippers or chainsaws. All right. We will remove the business card. All right, now we'll see what we got. See that, guys? Okay, so friends, now if you have a weed whipper or chainsaw that won't pull over, all right, don't assume it's internal motor problems like a piston or ring getting hung up in the cylinder. Don't always assume that. Okay, I thought that was a problem with this. But I took this thing apart. Clutch is in pretty good shape. When I took this thing apart and I rolled the flywheel over, or the flywheel, and I noticed a magnet was hitting the bottom of this coil down here. I just showed you guys a little bit ago. Just a little bit there where it wouldn't let the motor turn over. All right, now we have clearance. I think what happened over time, the coil just, I don't know, somehow it got knocked down or something like that and knocked the coil down a little bit to the part where it gets stuck down here. Now, another thing here too, friends, to point out to you guys is that if you're having running issues on your engines, small engine or like your weed whipper or chainsaws, double check your coils as well. All right. Now see on this one here, the magnet's pretty good. All right. See how clean that magnet looks? But check your magnets every once in a while, because if they don't get, if they're not overly, you know, like really magnety, like really stick to it, these get worn out after a while. It can also cause problem with your spark to your coil. This is how you get fire to your spark plug, is between the coil and the magnet. That's what creates your spark for everything. All right. So keep that in mind. All right. So yeah, we got lots of clearance here now. So yeah, whenever you want to do, get the proper gap between your flywheel, magnet, and your coil, a business card is all you need. Bring the coil up here, or bring your magnet up on top, slide your business card between your coil and the magnet. All right, and you get the proper spark. So anyway, if you guys like this video, give me the thumbs up, and if you guys have any questions, comments, or whatever like that, put them down the link below, and I'll more than happy to answer your questions and help you out with all your stuff that you guys have any questions on. Okay? All right, guys. We'll see you on the flip side.